policies of central bank, no? For example, there is an inflation. Group 2 has discussed earlier about inflation and deflation. If inflation occurs, one of the monetary policies of central bank or Bangko Sentral is what? To raise interest rates. Tataasan ni central bank yung interest rates. So what would be the effect of that? If the central banks, not only here, but all over the world, the Fed, the US, no? Once there is inflation going on, they would raise interest rates. Tataas yung interest. Okay? Kasi nga, okay, the cost of borrowing would be expensive. So less people, less businesses would want to acquire a loan because of higher interest rates. At kapag mataas ang interest rates, kokonti ang magninegosyo, kokonti ang mag-loan sa bangko. Remember, the central bank is the mother of all banks. And BPI, BDO, Metrobank, and all the banks, private banks, commercial banks will follow suit. If central banks increases interest rates, okay, all the banks will also follow the mandate of central banks. And therefore, the cost of borrowing would be high or would be expensive. Okay? And as a consequence of that, less and less people, households, or businesses would want to acquire a loan from banks. Okay? Ngayon, kapag kukonti ang umuutang dahil nga sobrang taas ng interest rates, lesser money will revolve around the economy. Kukonti ang mag-i-spend, kukonti ang magmamanufacture, kukonti ang magpuproduce. So if money supply would be lessened or decrease in the open market, okay? So wala nang masyadong demand. Nakuha nyo? Did you get it? Because, you know, the cost of borrowing has become expensive. Diba? So, only few borrowers would want to borrow money from banks. And therefore, lesser money would circulate around the economy. If that happens, demand would constrict or decline. And if that happens, kukunti ang bumibili, kukunti ang nagdi-demand, what do you think will happen? Yung supply, nadong pa rin, marami-rami pa rin. So, the prices of those goods, commodities, and services would decline or decrease. Did you get it? Diba sa inflation, diniscuss din ng group 2, diba? The more money supply there is, the more demand there is. The more people would want to spend. And with the lesser supply, if everybody wants to spend, and with the limited supply, they would, mag-uunahan silang bilhin yung supply, limited supply, scarce supply. So what do you think will happen? Yeah, so higher prices, inflation. Okay? So, ang gagawin ngayon ng central bank, increase ang interest rate to curtail or to lessen inflationary pressure. Okay? So, lesser money supply ang iikot sa economy. So, that is one of the monetary policies, okay, that central banks are mandated to do in case of inflation. Nawa nyo? Okay, yun.